Welcome to Best RV channel. Now I'm Mario from Best RV in Torla, California. This trailer is a brand new 2026 Winnebago Micro Minnie. They changed everything between 25 and 26. They changed the outside look, the front, the side, everything. We're gonna go in detail right now. What is behind me is the brand new 2026 Winnebago Micro Minnie 2108 FBS. They changed the front. Now it's became black color front. Look like nice fiberglass black with the W. Big diamond plated in the front. They changed the side walls with the white and more a gray and black decals. They put a newer step, the Suburban step, which is very solid. Still the same from slam luggage door. But I like the finishing. You could see change the color of the linoleum, and it's aluminum frame constructions, vacuum bonded aluminum. It already has 200-watt solar panel on the roof. It has inverter prep right there, inverter prep. And it has the 2 independent stabilizer jack on the front, so I could push any switch I want and play with them, and that's to lower the 2 front stabilizer jack. It has also 2 electric stabilizer jack in the back, again, with the independent switches. You push and you could play with it the way you want it. Nice power awning. You could see the whole entire awning cover. The unit is a power awning with LED light. Big GPL speakers, entry assistant handle. I love the black and the gray and the white with the black rims, with the big tires. Whoa, and again, this is a Goodyear, made in America, not a Chinese bomb. And in the back here, a spare tire complete with a ladder. They give you the ladder, not like the other brands. Good luck, go buy a ladder. So they give you a ladder, backup camera prep, big bumpers. And they went on the 26 with endless hot water heater, outside shower, hot and cold, black tank flush, satellite hookup, power hookup. Everything I like about their frame, it is a bolted B&L frame. And again, when it's come to the axle, they are independent suspension, Dexter axle. No spring leaf whatsoever, no shackles. It's independent. Each tire is working by itself. And then you have here a slide out. Very slick. Love the finishing. Look, the finishing here. It's a solid and clean. One thing about Winnebago trailer, clean. Come to the dealership, complete. Just are using the pass-through storage. I'm really anxious to see the new changes they did. Oh, and by the way, it's very hard to, if you get close, this front is LED light, but it's very hard with the sun. And this is also has LED light, the electric tank jack, and 2 5-gallon tank, or we call them 20-pounders, with the cover. I love the white color, make it really nice. One thing people, they never notice, Winnebago, they give you cover for this door, for this window. Notice other brand, they don't. Wow, they change everything. They change everything. Love the colors, love the colors. Wow, it's like I am in a modern house. It's like, oh, it's amazing. I love this wood. Now, this is a 2108 FBS, front bedroom, walk-around bed, and a dinette, and a big bathroom in the back. But when you come to Winnebago, everybody know Winnebago high-end brand. But again, at Best RV, we make it so affordable. So the changes, they went to creamy color cabinet, as you see. So this is completely changed than the 25. They add that shelf, and they make nice cabinet in this side, one on the other side with the modern handles. Oh, self-closing, watch. Wow, self-closing. Queen bed, full storage underneath. Let me raise it up. And you could see storage from inside and outside. They put the nice creamy color roller shade. Big windows. Notice on the Winnebago, they're very well known for big windows. I like the yellow color light. Solid wood on the dinette bench. So you could see, oh my God, that's a big solid wood. And then again, they use no legs. You lower this, push, And then this cushion become together and become bed. Raise it up and flip it. Voila. Solid. Dinette hold 2 people. 2 here, 2 there. And the nice doors underneath the dinette bench. European hinges. Again, sometimes I talk things, people, they don't care that much because they say that's too much in advance, but I like to point things comparing the other brands. And the 2 GPL speakers inside, ducted air condition on a 21-foot. Notice a lot of them, they don't do that. A lot of them, they make the cold air come through the air condition unit and no ducking. But the Winnebago, they pay extra to do this. So it has ducking air conditions. So we're done with the queen bed. We're done with the dinette. Now we're going to talk about the beautiful kitchen. Nice modern cabinet for your silverware. Tinsel brush, that's you put the brush scrub. Self-closing. I love this doors. They give you tinsel doors. And this piece, you put your tinsel, you slide it, you put the longer one, so you could use 2 layers. And again, self-closing. This is, they don't waste any space. Place for your trash can. Big door for your cooking pans. And they do extra touch to hide the fuse box. The other brands, you see this box, and Winnebago does not. Convection microwave oven, 3-burner range, country sink. And by the way, folks, this is a solid service counter. This is not a Formica, and this is not fiberglass. This is a solid service countertop. I love the veins on it. That's a big deal. So I want to emphasize solid service countertop for the 2026. 10.8 cubic foot refrigerator. No worries, you already have 200 watt solar panel on the roof. You have a nice fan here. You open it, and when you're cooking and you want the spice smell go outside, just turn this one, and it give you fresh air also for wind circulations. Over here you have a nice smart TV. They don't waste the storage. They don't waste it. They always give you nice pantry over here that you could use it for pantry. This is the controller for the speakers inside outside. Furnace with thermostat. Nice beautiful pocket door. I love the coloring. The beige, the creamy beige with the creamy white. Slick, modern. They have nice medicine cabinets over here. Stainless steel sink. Porcelain toilet, no problem with the knees. Place more storage, and more closets. Standing shower, big this time. They make the shower bigger this time. And more elbow. Skylight, nice shower head. Look at this. It's amazing. So this is the brand new 21 FBS Micro Minnie Winnebago. We have it a price. Sometimes we get call from the manufacturer say, raise Nile at Best RV, please raise your price. You give them away. And we tell them, hey, this is our model. We sell for less and no hidden fees. So come to Best RV and grab.